In this video, I will show you how to solve the problem of smooth slow motion of video due to optical flow in CapCut on PC. The solution is quite simple. Update the app to the latest version. To do this, go to the menu, select the Tools section, and check whether updates are available. How to apply the function. 1. Select the video you want to change. 2. Adjust its speed. 3. Click Smooth Deceleration and select Optical Flow. 4. Wait for the processing to finish, and you will see how the effect has been applied. And remember, sometimes a simple restart of the computer can help solve temporary technical failures. Thanks for watching this video.